What is a mutual fund? How does it work? Is it safe to invest in a mutual fund? And if yes, how can I start investing in a mutual fund? Hello and namaste. Welcome to a new video. My name is Anamika Rana, and in this video we are going to talk everything about mutual fund. Even if you are a basic beginner, does not matter, watch the video till the end because I'm sure you will have some key takeaways. Also, if you want, you can actually increase the speed of this video to 1.5x to save some time of yours. So let us begin. The first part is, what is a mutual fund? In simple words, mutual fund is nothing but the combination of mutual and fund. Mutual means you and me, and fund means a combination, a pool of investment. So in a mutual fund, what happens is investors like you and me, we start pooling in some amount either in a lump sum or on a monthly basis as an SIP, which is systematic investment plan. And after we have pooled in the amount, this amount is then used for further reinvestment in the market. And who does the reinvestment? There is somebody called the fund manager who manages the fund and decides where to invest in the market. Now let's try to understand, how can you benefit from a mutual fund? Well, we all invest in a mutual fund to get some returns. So how exactly you benefit depends on how well the fund is being managed by the fund manager. So for example, depending on the agenda of the fund, whether it is a debt fund or equity fund or some other category of fund, once the fund amount is invested in the market by the fund manager, depending on how the market is performing, the returns after minusing all the expenses. So for example, the amount of the fund which was invested in the market was 100 rupees. Now the returns come, suppose say 50 rupees. So from that 50 rupees, the fund manager will deduct his expenses like marketing expense, distribution cost, advisory fee, the cost of maintaining the fund, his own salary. And after having that net amount, suppose say from 50 rupees, the expenses were 10 rupees. So the net 40 rupees, which is the real return, is then distributed further amongst investors like you and me. This is how you will benefit. Now let's try to understand how many types or how many categories of mutual funds are there. There are three basic categories: debt fund, equity fund, and hybrid fund. Now what is an equity fund? Equity fund is basically a mutual fund which invests in the equity in the market. Equity basically means the shares and the stocks of the company. Equity fund is also known as the growth fund. Now what is a debt fund? Debt fund invests that money in securities or bonds or some kind of loans in the market. It is more like lending the money to the market and getting interest on that loan which it has given to the market. And hybrid fund is nothing but a combination of equity and debt, where it reinvests the amount in debt, securities, and equity in stocks and shares as well. It also invests sometimes in gold and real estate as well. So these are the three categories: debt, equity, and hybrid funds. But there are many more categories of mutual funds. I will not go down in the details right now in this video. Maybe I'll make another video in the broad categories of mutual funds. Okay, now let's talk about how can you decide which mutual fund to go for. Like we just discussed, there are three basic types, but how do you know which one is for you? So go by the simple rule of R&R. R&R basically means risk and return. So you have to figure out which category you fall in. Category 1 is low risk, low return. Category 2 is medium risk, medium return, and category 3 is high risk and high return. So you have to decide which category 1, 2 or 3 you fall into, and then based on that category, select the fund and start investing. Now let's come to the last part as to, okay Anamika, I have figured out my R&R, but tell me exactly how I know which fund I have to start investing in. Well, over here you will have to do a little bit of homework, because there are so many funds in the market, and I totally understand it is not easy to just randomly select one fund. So step number 1 is for you to decide which category of R&R you fall in, whether it is category 1, 2 or 3. Once you have figured out what is the risk and return expectation and appetite, you can then go to any website. Moneycontrol.com is something I recommend because it is free and very informative. Just go on moneycontrol.com, select the category of mutual fund that you just figured out in step number 1, and suppose you figured out, okay, equity mutual fund is my category, I fall in the category 3. So you just go and type in over there equity mutual fund, or you click on the option of equity mutual fund, and it will show an entire list of all the mutual funds in the equity category. Now what you have to understand is that you have to shortlist maybe 5 to 10 top performing equity mutual funds, and one by one just go and see which sectors or which stocks or shares or companies that fund is investing in. And suppose for example you found two funds, A and B. You saw in A fund it was investing in sectors like maybe automobiles, pharma, or even telecommunication, and the B mutual fund was investing in FMCG and consumer products, etc. So you personally felt more resonated with option B, that is FMCG and consumer products. So you decide, okay, I will pick up B mutual fund. Okay, similarly another person can feel more connected with the pharma sector or the automobile sector or the telecom sector, and he can go for A mutual fund. So everybody's choice will depend on which industry you understand better. And the third step is very simple. Just simply download any investment app like Grow or ET Money and start creating either an SIP or a lump sum amount of investment. I personally do SIP because it creates a sense of discipline in me. So what I do is I just decide a particular date, suppose say the first of every month, when I want that amount of SIP to be debited from my account, and I keep investing on a monthly basis. So I hope this video on mutual fund has simplified the entire concept for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, because the YouTube algorithm will come to know it is being appreciated and will recommend it to more people in the future. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon again. Take care. Namaste. Bye.